Hello everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a Tibetan lamp. As you can see, this one is the lamp itself, made out of metal. This one is silver and bronze and copper and zinc. There are many different materials which are used for making these lamps. So now, hello everybody. As I told you, today I'm going to teach you how to make Tibetan lamps. You need a piece of cotton. This one is cotton. Yes, cotton. And then you can buy this anywhere, in apotheke, store, medical store, or whatever. Or you can buy it at a medical store. Okay, so this is the packet, and this is how you can see cotton itself. So the first thing is you have to make it clear, or just make it a little bit flat. You have to how to say, level it, or just pull it, that you can get like this one. So it becomes larger when you make it a little bit more bigger or flat or thinner, in its width. So now I've got like this, So from here you can, now you have to use your finger. You have to use your finger, and this finger and ring finger, or let's say, okay, index finger and thumb are the most useful part of your finger, and also the right hand finger and the thumb is the how to say, roller. You have to roll it with these two fingers. Okay, so now let's do it. Okay, start. So you have to find a point. So like this one, got a point, and then now your job is to roll it, inner side. When you roll it, as you roll it, you can see, I'm getting a kind of string, let's say. So you have always you have to level it, upper part, or the top must be a little bit thinner than the bottom part. So as you roll it, you have to measure it carefully, or you have to calculate it, and then you have to go a little bit tight, with a little bit force, or tighter. You have to roll it down, like this one. This one, as you roll it, now you can see I got a kind of a string, and the upper part is a bit sharp, and the lower part is a little bit, bigger. If you do it, you can make it very easily. For the beginner, it seems, or it looks a bit difficult, but it's not difficult. So now you can see, as I roll it, down till the bottom, you have to make sure that your bottom is round, and you can now, so you can have it, right? So at this point, if you are not really satisfied that it's a bit bending or bended or like that, you have to use your palm like this. So if you do it, 1 or 2 times or 3 times. Now you got the straight one, right? So now your job is from here, you have to, at the very bottom part, you have to roll it one more, tighten it, or bit, tightening it like this. As you can see, I just, how to say, twist it a bit, and then you have to fold it, like this. This much, let's say 1 millimeter or 2 millimeter, you have to bend it again, and then when you bend it, you will get a kind of, like this one. So now you got this one, right? So from this part, now the job is, put it inside this hole, at the middle of this lamp. Let's say lamp. Okay, so you can see, as you can see, now I'm going to, push it into this hole. So when you got it, you push it inside the hole. As you can see, as you force it little by little, it's quite difficult with the camera, but I try to show you. So when you got the, so now as you can see, you have to force a little bit, but hopefully use like this one, you have to roll it carefully. As now you can see I got the middle hole, and I've pressed inside. As you press this one inside, we call it, in German we call it Docht, but I don't know the English word. As you can see, now I put it inside very carefully. Now you have it, right? So it looks like this, in the middle. Okay, so now our job is to put the oil, or let's say cocos, butter, cocos butter, the white one, and so on, so I will show you cocos butter. So oil, now you have to put it very carefully. So as you can see, this one in the middle, the cotton string, shouldn't be so long. In Tibetan we say, if it's too long, it will shorten your life. Just, it's just a myth, or let's say just a saying, or like that, So it's better when you have like this much, from this rim. If it's 1 centimeter or maybe 1.5 centimeter, it's long, it's okay. Okay, now we are going to put oil into this very new lamp, let's say. So you can use butter, or oil. As I have here Rubs oil, or let's say we use Rubs oil, seed oil, and we use sunflower oil, as you can see. So sunflower oil is also good to use. So now I'm going to put it inside the, as you can see. So you have to be very careful without touching the cotton. You have to put it inside very carefully and carefully. So as you can see, it's filling up the lamp. Okay, it's a bit like a cup, Yeah, so you can see now better. Okay, now almost finished. And as you can see, the middle cotton string is not moved or not disturbed by the oil. You have to be very careful. So at this point, when you are almost finished or filling up, when it's filled up, at the last point you have to touch the cotton like this. You have to make wet. You have to soak the oil on it. So now we have got this beautiful lamp, as you can see from the, as you can see from the side. Okay, this one is our new lamp that we're gonna light up. So okay, the small types of lamps, silver one, these are silver lamps, as you can see, very nice one, and very perfectly, the cotton string in the middle. So lighting up the lamp means to offer, light offering for all the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas in our universe, or God and goddesses, and whoever you believe and whoever you homage. So you are trying to offer, this lamp to all of them, who are protector, who are blessing us and so on, our master, to offer lamp for our master, so on, so these are holy beings. So on the other hand, you can also offer this for all other sentient beings who are in darkness, suffering, who are in very bad situations, difficult situations. So you can offer, for hell beings, hungry ghosts, and also for the spirits who haven't got yet enlightened or haven't found any proper, lives like human life and so on. So if you light up a lamp and offer for all sentient beings, that means you are offering for your family, you are offering for your near and dear ones and friends, and for all, So this very unique way to purify all your bad karmas, your defilements, and your inner negativities, emotions, negative emotions, so on. So it's very nice when you light up a candle. It means you are lighting your mind up, you are lighting your mind, you are enlightening your mind. So you are getting the transcendental wisdom, you are making yourself wise, so that's to how to say, eliminate the darkness of our planet, to eliminate all the epidemic and other diseases and so on, so it has a lot of benefits, when we talk about the benefit, many benefits. So just simple, for example, if you light up and how to say, you dedicate it to all sentient beings, that means you will purify all your how to say, debts means we call it spiritual debts or karmic debts, or any kinds of debts, property debts, whatever, so if you offer this, you are saying that sorry, I couldn't pay your debt until now, so I'm paying my debts and my wishes through this lamp. When you light up one lamp, it radiates throughout the universe, so like a sun, so that is a big power. So you are purifying all your debts or defilements, as well as the debts of others. That means whatever we eating, whatever we wearing, whatever we are thinking, and all these materialistic things, and our joy and whatever is related to other sentient beings. So that's why we Buddhists believe that we are reincarnated, we go further and further, until the enlightenment. So So, and in the past we did the same, you know. So in the cyclic existence of life, with many things, we had many, you know, bad karmas, or we accumulated different types of you know, actions, and we had many debts, you know, that haven't paid yet. So through this length also, I would like to pay all my good wishes and thoughts, prayers to the world and all sentient beings. May all sentient beings be peace, be healthy, and get enlightenment. Thank you so much.